Okay, you made a draw today with Hikaru. Can you tell us something about the game?
It was basically interesting game. I was kind of okay after the opening. I think when I played rook d8, I thought I'm fine. Maybe objectively he's a little bit better, but nothing special. And after bishop e3, knight g4, I expected him to play knight f3, and we went with a complicated position. And after h3, takes a5, a5. Maybe I should have taken with the pawn, and probably I'm fine, but I decided to take with the queen, and I thought that basically it will be more or less simple draw, uh, but 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 then maybe I should not have taken on d4, and then it became dangerous position for me, and I had to be very precise, but somehow okay, I managed to make it.
So in these four encounters that you have played with the same opening against Giri, Caruana, Topalov, and now Nakamura, do you think this was the easiest draw for you theoretically?
Oh, well, I'm not thinking so deeply because we play chess, and it doesn't matter which opening we play.
Okay, and how do you plan to spend your rest day tomorrow?
I have no idea at the moment.